Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you one of my quick tips on how to finish interiors quicker. So I have my air compressor, I got my steam cleaner over there, I got my vacuum. One of the things that I like to do first is I like to blow this driver's side, because the driver's seat is usually the dirtiest part of most cars, just depending on what it is. If it's a kid's car, I would understand the back seats being the dirtiest, so it's right there. But here we have the driver's seat. So what I did is I actually blew it out down here with my little air compressor and my steamer. I don't want to use my big air compressor today, just because I don't want to lug it out, because I don't feel like I need it. And then I move forward and I vacuum this up. I still have some light debris to go back and vacuum up. But that makes it the quickest process. I also, after I do that, I like to do these cup holder areas. I like to steam that so that the mess stays here. You can see I did this. As you can see, I did the same thing on the passenger side. I blew everything forward, so that way I can vacuum this. Then I can actually steam it again, and I can blow it that way. But I like to get the biggest chunks out first, because I don't want to do double work back there. But I'm not doing any double work really, because I blew everything forward, so I didn't vacuum it. So I still have to go back and vacuum the back. So when I feel like I blow back there, I'm not going to repeat myself by having to vacuum twice, if that makes sense. So if you see this is also from blowing back this way on the driver's side. So that's what I mean. I rather blow this stuff first, blow it forward, and then come back, blow it again this way, and then do my vacuum. So I'm only having to vacuum once back here, so I don't feel like I have to repeat myself. So that to me is one of the most efficient ways to do an interior if you're not having to do kid stuff. If you have to deal with kids, then I do that. So I like to do the carpets first, like primary, like get a deep vacuum in. If I need to, really blow these out, actually, and then do the leather. Actually, again, it just depends on how dirty the car is. So I like to do carpets first in general, then come back into the leather, and then do a touch-up spot vacuum, just in case. But again, I try to minimize repeating myself on the vacuuming side. And then I like to leave the trunk for last, because this one is not totally filthy, so I don't think it's going to be a total problem. And plus, if I blow out, I'm going to blow out backwards, so I feel like I'm not going to get anything that way. So I like to do that, and then the headliner is always the last thing that I like to touch up in the interior. So that's my quick tip. I just thought I would share that with y'all. And I'll show you my equipment real quick. Now I got the passenger side mostly done. I'll have to again do a final touch up, but this is how it's turning out. So that's what I mean. That's why you want to blow it this way. So actually, I can just show you. I didn't add too much work to myself, but that's why. Because again, you're going to be blowing back this way. So that way now I vacuum this up, clean this leather, put the mats back in, and I'll almost be done. I'll try to do the windows. That's the last thing I like to do. I got my Milwaukee dual battery pack out. I got my crevice nozzle, and I have a Furriel Pro 2. All this stuff will be linked, so you can go buy it. This is just a cordless air compressor that I have adapters so that I can run Milwaukee batteries to it. And then this is the cheap 125 one injection series. I'm getting the promo code at the same time I'm using series. It's really awesome to look for. It's probably my favorite. Push the button. So that's what I mean by this being like a wet injection. So it puts out a ton of steam. So it's very useful when you're doing interiors, because you can emulsify anything in that cup holder in like 2 seconds. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. Thought I'd just share this little tips real quick. Thanks. Bye.